Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water is a simple, meaningful way to honor both your body and mind. Not only does it have great health benefits, but it can also glow your skin too. Warm is the ideal lemon water temperature for the magic vitamins and minerals to be most potent. Here we are telling the magics that happens in your body when you drink warm lemon water every morning. 1. Aids weight loss. For losing weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. A person with a faster and higher metabolism uses more calories to perform all of its required functions than a person with a slower metabolism. A glass of lukewarm water with few drops of lemon every morning helpful to your weight loss journey. 2. Reduces the risk of kidney stones. According to several studies, consuming lemon water right at the start of the day may help reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. One of the major reasons for kidney stones is due to painful deposits in the urine. The citric acid present in lemon water helps flush out these calcified deposits, and the acid from the lemon can help keep the stones from coming together. 3. It makes you feel good. Since we get dehydrated during the night, starting with a glass of warm lemon water right when we wake up is a great way to not only replenish H20, but it helps prime our stomachs for optimal digestion by allowing us to digest food more easily and preventing the buildup of toxins. 4. Antioxidant Boost. Drinking lemon water right in the morning can give your body a perfect antioxidant boost. Lemon is loaded with the goodness of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a crucial antioxidant that helps boost skin health, immunity, and protects your DNA from free radical damage, which may help slow down aging and prevent you from various heart diseases and even cancer. 5. Aids Digestion. The acidic composition of lemon juice helps flush out unwanted materials and toxins from your body. Lemon water also encourages the liver to produce more bile, which further helps in digestion and detoxification. In addition to this, lemon water cures heartburn, belching, and bloating as well. We hope this information helpful to you. Share this video with your friends and family. Hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.